Ever wish paying online felt as secure as using your card in person? You can with your NatWest card reader. First, let's get you set up. Your NatWest card reader should arrive ready to use, but ensure it has fresh batteries, typically 2AA ones, if it doesn't already have them pre-installed. To activate it, simply press the OK button. The screen will light up, indicating it's powered on and ready for use. When you're ready to make a payment online, proceed to the checkout page and select the option for card reader verification or pay by card reader, if available. Next, insert your NatWest debit or credit card into the slot on the card reader with the chip facing upwards and into the device. The card reader will then prompt you to enter your card's PIN. Carefully type in your 4-digit PIN using the keypad on the device and press OK. After entering your PIN, the card reader will generate a unique security code. This code will appear on the card reader's display. Carefully enter this code into the corresponding field on your computer screen to complete the transaction. Once you've entered the code, your payment will be securely processed. You'll typically see a payment successful message on your computer. If you encounter any issues, first try checking your card is fully inserted and that you've entered the correct PIN. For persistent problems, remove your card, press cancel repeatedly to clear any errors, or turn the device off and on again. Your NatWest card reader is a powerful tool for secure online payments, giving you peace of mind with every transaction.